Hello friends! Thanks to those of you who have subscribed, and as you probably noticed, the channel really has two foci. The first is on app building because I teach a class in SwiftUI app development, and the second is on electronics projects because I teach a class called physical computing. Now, the problem that I've been experiencing is when I post a video on one, I lose a few subscribers because people are here for one type of content or the other. So what I've done is I've created a new channel. That new channel will have all of my maker content, so that's where I'll move all of the CircuitPython school content, all of the new things that I do around making, whether it's tutorials or build videos, are all going to be on that new channel. And you can currently find it at youtube.com/@buildwithprofg. That's all one word, and the B, W, P, and G are all capitalized. YouTube will eventually allow me to customize that URL. It'd really help me out if you subscribe to that channel and if you tell others about it, because I'm not going to be able to customize the URL until I get above 100 subscribers, and I'm not going to be able to earn any money, even though you don't make a lot of money on YouTube, until we hit 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you sharing this with others. Thanks for continuing to be subscribers. Expect more good content and continue to hack.